The Moto X series isn't what it used to be. Since Lenovo's acquisition of Motorola's smartphone business, the once high-end Moto X lineup has been demoted to a mid-range ranking, overtaken by the Z series as the Moto brand's top smartphone selection. But this year's Moto X4 has intrigued us nonetheless. In a nutshell, it is a mid-range handset with premium looks, one that just barely eclipses the G series spec sheet, but stands out with its fancy construction, dual camera setup, and IP68 water resistance. It currently costs $350 unlocked on Motorola's website, $325 from Google with Android One software and Project Fi service, or $280 on Amazon as the Prime exclusive phone with lock screen ads. But is any of these Moto X4 flavors actually worth getting? In the box. Moto X4. USB-C to USB a turbocharger. Quick start guides and warranty info. Design. While the Moto X4 steps down its price point from previous Moto X smartphones, the looks remain sharp. Opting for a metal meets glass body with a mirror finish and the familiar styling of Moto devices, the X4 looks distinct and sturdily built. At the back resides a large camera hump, a circular plateau of sorts, which houses the dual camera, dual flash setup. Naturally, we're not exactly thrilled to have this hump, but it does add some flair to the overall look, sporting its own shiny poker chip-like design. Up front, you have a 16MP camera with its own flash and a fingerprint sensor below the 5.2-inch display. Aside from the light yet solid construction, IP68 water resistance puts the icing on the cake for us. This is a very welcome feature and a rarity in this price category.